Hi again, everyone. CBS 19 Chief Meteorologist Brett Anthony here on a very warm and humid Wednesday evening. If you've been outside, you know there's a little bit of humidity. That humidity in the air kind of sets the stage here for the chance, for the risk, for a couple of stronger storms late tonight, overnight, from Tyler and Athens back toward Canton and Emory, though I think the real good chance is going to be from Dallas up to Oklahoma City. Then tomorrow that chance spreads to the east and to the southeast a little bit. That's because a cold front is moving through in the morning. So between about 6 and 9 a.m., I think if we have a chance to see a severe thunderstorm, it's going to be over toward Jefferson, over toward Marshall, maybe up toward Mount Pleasant. It could get as far south as Carthage. These things are going to be moving pretty rapidly. But any stronger thunderstorm that does develop could be intense, could have hail, and we can't rule out that there couldn't be a quick tornado spin up out of that, and it would be an early morning sort of setup. Right now, cloudy. It's breezy, 73 in Tyler. It's a breezy 74 at Longview. Look at the south-southeast wind there, close to 20 miles an hour. Lufkin right now, cloudy and windy with a temperature around 74 degrees. All right, I'm showing you water vapor animation. So what is this? This is picking up on the amount of water vapor or moisture in the atmosphere. All right, and so it shows quite a bit streaming in from the southwest into East Texas. And I show you this because there's a cold front, and then this brown area here is drier air. So that dry air is going to collide with that warm, moist, buoyant air, and that's going to set the stage for the thunderstorms overnight tonight and early tomorrow morning. Biggest threat's going to be damaging wind between about 4 a.m. and 9 a.m. Lightning will be a threat also. The hail and tornado threats are pretty low. They're there, but they're really, really low. All right, future skycast this evening. Just cloudy skies, couple passing showers. We've seen a couple showing up on CBS 19 radar. No big deal here through 11 o'clock, just a couple more showers. Overnight, you'll notice the increased coverage in the showers, maybe now a couple of rumbles of thunder around the area. That's the line we need to watch as it consolidates around Canton to Mineola up toward Mount Pleasant. So there you could get a wind gust on the leading edge of that, close to 58 miles an hour. And that gets a little bit stronger as it moves to the east. In fact, other thunderstorms develop out ahead of that, closer to Carthage at about 7:45. They quickly move into Louisiana, and we shut off our rain threat, and 2, our severe weather threat by 9:30 tomorrow morning. And then tomorrow afternoon, look how blustery and much colder it is. Temperatures fall into the 40s by the end of the day. In fact, I think it can be 45 by this time tomorrow. So about a 30-degree temperature drop in the colder air coming in. Rainfall amounts, 1/4 of an inch, 1/2 inch. Not a ton of rain. We've got a more steadier, active pattern shaping up next week that should provide a lot more rain for us. Major League Fishing is at Lake Fork this week. They've got a practice day tomorrow. Not bad if the boaters are on the water in the morning, except for those thunderstorms, but I think they'll be east of Lake Fork by that time. But colder, blustery by the end of the day. Allergy index, check this out. Tree pollen, high. So yeah, we got some cedar pollen in the atmosphere once again. Here's the forecast for tonight. Cloudy, windy early, thunderstorms developing late. Those thunderstorms should move in after 4 a.m. We'll drop to only 64 degrees. Baylor Scott & White, Texas Spine Joint Hospital 7-day forecast. So morning thunderstorms, then windy, colder tomorrow. Temperature at some point tomorrow, maybe about 10 or 11 a.m. could get as warm as 70 degrees, but then drops to 45 by supper time, falls all the way to 27 by Friday morning. 55 Friday for the high. Nice weekend setting up right now. 63 Saturday, 70 on Sunday, and then next week looks unsettled and rainy and maybe even thundery at times.